Master ASME course with URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Complete ASME training programs. Hello everyone and welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. If you are a mechanical engineer, QA/QC professional, welding engineer, inspector, EPC professional, manufacturer or engineering student looking to build a successful career in design, fabrication, inspection and quality assurance, then this video is for you. Today we will introduce our comprehensive ASME code training programs, explain the importance of each ASME code and show how mastering these international standards can significantly enhance your engineering career. Let us get started. What is ASME? ASME stands for the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. ASME codes are among the world's most respected engineering standards, ensuring the safe design, fabrication, inspection, testing, installation and operation of pressure equipment, boilers, piping systems, valves and industrial plants. These standards are widely used across oil and gas, petrochemical, refinery, power plants, chemical industries, EPC companies, manufacturing, heavy engineering, nuclear facilities, offshore projects. Engineers with ASME code knowledge are highly valued worldwide. Our training programs. ASME BPVC overview, 16 hours. This training is for 16 hours for this code. This course provides a complete understanding of the ASME boiler and pressure vessel code structure, helping participants identify which sections apply to different engineering applications. It serves as the ideal starting point for anyone new to ASME codes. ASME Section 1, Power Boilers, 24 hours training. Power boilers operate under extremely high pressure and temperature. This course covers boiler design, fabrication, welding, inspection, hydrostatic testing, certification requirements. Ideal for professionals working in power plants and boiler manufacturing. ASME Section 2 Materials, 24 hours required for this course. We provide 24 hours training, online and on-site trainings. Select the correct material is very essential for safe equipment operation. Participants learn material specifications, mechanical properties, allowable stress values, welding consumables, material selection. This code is referenced throughout almost every ASME design code. ASME Section 3 Nuclear Facility Components, 40 hours training for this code. Nuclear applications demand the highest safety standards. This course covers nuclear component design, material requirements, fabrication, inspection, quality assurance, essential for professionals involved in nuclear engineering projects. ASME Section 5 Non-Destructive Examination, 24 hours. The inspection is the backbone of quality assurance. This course explains radiographic testing, ultrasonic testing, magnetic particle testing, liquid penetrant testing, visual testing, eddy current testing. Participants understand how inspection ensures equipment integrity. ASME Section 8 Division 1 Pressure Vessels, one of the most widely used ASME codes globally. Topics include pressure vessel design, thickness calculations, fabrication, inspection, hydro testing, code stamping. Essential for pressure vessel manufacturers and inspectors. ASME Section 8 Division 2 Alternative Rules, 40 hours training for this code. Division 2 allows optimized pressure vessel design using advanced engineering methods. Participants learn design by analysis, fatigue assessment, stress analysis, advanced fabrication requirements. Ideal for senior design engineers. ASME Section 8 Division 3 High Pressure Vessels, 40 hours training. Designed for extremely high pressure applications. Topics include high pressure vessel design, material selection, stress evaluation, safety consideration. Critical for specialized industrial applications. ASME Section 9 Welding and Procedure Qualification, 32 hours. Welding quality directly affects equipment safety. This course covers WPS, PQR, welder qualification, brazing qualification, essential variables, qualification requirements. A must for welding engineers and QA/QC professionals. ASME B31.1 Power Piping, 32 hours. This course governs piping systems used in power plants. Topics include design, material selection, stress analysis, fabrication, testing, installation. ASME B31.3 process piping 40 hours training. The most popular piping code used worldwide, applicable to refineries, petrochemical plants, chemical industries, LNG terminals, process industries. Participants learn piping design, flexibility analysis, fabrication, inspection, testing, and code compliance. ASME B31.4 pipeline systems 24 hours training. Focuses on transporting crude oil, petroleum products, liquid chemicals, slurries. Participants learn safe pipeline design and operation. ASME B31.8 gas transmission and distribution 24 hours training. Natural gas pipelines require strict safety standards. Topics include pipeline design, construction, inspection, maintenance, integrity management, ideal for pipeline engineers. ASME B31.12 hydrogen pipelines 24 hours. Hydrogen is becoming a major clean energy source. This course covers hydrogen pipeline design, material compatibility, safety requirements, future energy applications. An excellent course for engineers entering the hydrogen economy. ASME PCC1 bottle flange joint assembly 16 hours training. For this code, proper flange assembly prevents leaks. Topics include bolt tightening, gasket selection, torque procedures, leak prevention, essential for maintenance professionals. ASME PCC2 repair of pressure equipment 24 hours training. Industries often repair equipment instead of replacing it. Participants learn approved repair techniques for pressure vessels, piping, weld defects, mechanical damage. ASME B16.5 and B16.47 flanges 16 hours training. Learn flange dimensions, pressure ratings, materials, gasket compatibility, and proper selection for industrial piping systems. ASME B16.9 butt welding fittings 16 hours training. For this course explains elbows, T's, reducers, caps, fittings used in piping systems, including dimensional standards and applications. ASME B16.34 industrial valves 16 hours training. For this code, understand valve pressure temperature ratings, design requirements, testing, materials, and selection for safe industrial operation. Now, why choose URGS International? At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we focus on practical, industry-oriented learning. Our training offers live instructor-led online sessions, industry experts with extensive practical experience, latest ASME code additions, real industrial examples, case studies, interactive technical discussions, comprehensive learning material, certificate of completion. Whether you are preparing for a new role, advancing your technical expertise, or supporting organizational compliance, all these courses are designed to deliver practical value. Now, who should attend? These programs are ideal for mechanical engineers, QA/QC engineers, welding engineers, NDT professionals, design engineers, inspection engineers, manufacturing engineers, EPC professionals, consultants, auditors, plant engineers, engineering graduates. Now at last closing. See, engineering excellence begins with technical knowledge. Please keep this in mind. Mastering ASME codes enables professionals to design safer systems, improve quality, reduce operational risks, and comply with global engineering standards. If you are ready to elevate your career and gain practical expertise from experienced industry professionals, join the ASME code training programs offered by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. All our programs are online. We conduct these programs every month. Please contact us to our email ID info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Industries can also contact us for on-site trainings for these codes. If you found this video valuable, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more professional engineering training, technical insights, certification guidance and industry updates. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to learning with you in our upcoming ASME training sessions. Thank you.